Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace the batteries on your Blink Floodlight camera in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to start by removing your Blink Floodlight camera from its mount or bracket. Just make sure that the camera is completely free and easy to handle. If there is a protective silicone cover on the screw, make sure that you remove it first. Now you need to use the opening tool that comes with the camera. If you don't have it, you can use a coin or a flat screwdriver. Then you need to simply turn the screw counter clockwise until it becomes loose. Then gently apply the pressure and pull the back cover open. If it feels tight, do not force it. You can apply steady pressure and it will release. Now, when the cover is open, you will see the battery compartment over here. So from this compartment, simply remove the old batteries and then you need to insert the two AA lithium batteries. Just make sure that the plus and the minus sides match correctly with the markings inside the camera. Using lithium battery is important because for the proper performance. Now align the back cover with the camera body and then press it into the place. Then tighten the screw clockwise until it is snug. Now do not over tighten, just make sure that the cover sits flush. So now once you have done that, simply turn the camera on and check in the Blink application if it is working properly. Now inside the Blink application, you should see battery status updated. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.